Hello everyone, I am Walt and I am here today to give you guys another one of our videos here on 100 ways to motivate yourself. Here we are with life, the universe, and everything, clearly, part 42. So, in this part we're talking about turning things into games, okay? And so, the idea of this one is extremely powerful. I find this technique to be pretty useful when you have to tackle larger tasks in a short period of time. I particularly find this useful like in college. It can be useful in your day-to-day work. It can be useful if you're going to be trading, making videos, writing, whatever it is that you want to do. This one can be useful. And the idea here is that we do our best work when we're having fun. And the reason for this is because we're stimulating the love pathways in our brain. So what exactly are the love pathways? Where are they scientifically? Okay, here's the basic idea. So as I've talked about in other videos, we have this idea of the fear-love duality, so that emotions basically stem back to either fear or love. And through the process of neuroplasticity, our brain grows stronger into a loving side, so you become more like the Dalai Lama, who could basically not hold a negative thought against, almost anybody, for at least from the work I know of that guy. And like these Buddhist monks who have meditated so much that their minds are just so blissful, they're really in the present moment, they're having so much fun, and they're really just, they couldn't hold these thoughts of negativity and hate. There are some people that cannot hold thoughts of love and cannot, be happy because they're constantly just having fearful emotions just plague their entire mind, and they strengthen them every time they use them. Regardless of that idea here, we're now really just getting into playing games. So we strengthen our love pathways by basically playing games because games are fun. People like to play games. I mean, why else would we love to play so many games? Why would there be so many board games? Why would they, be so many video games on top of that? And the reason is really because people love games. So if you can turn your work into a game, so like when it has more steps to it than just, like being able to go at a leisurely pace of doing the two things at a time, which I recommended in my efficiency video and a few other times. But basically, you can increase your efficiency if you're going to turn it into a game, and you're going to say, okay, I can play this, one step at a time, just like I'm playing Monopoly or chess or whatever game, you want to think of, any video game. Basically, when you do that, you can really reach higher levels of motivation because you have fun. And when you're having fun, you have the best ideas flowing from your subconscious mind, and that powerhouse is really going to help you out. Anyway, that's about it for part 42. So I'll see you guys next time on part 43. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.